Hi kids, my name's Nicole and this is Let's Make Art, and you are here to paint with us like we do every week. And this one we are doing our special Let's Make Art Matter. So if you have our box and you're part of our family, I want you to grab your postcard that already has a postage on it. And this month what we're doing is we are painting a light bulb.
Ding!
Oh yeah, we can do a little light bulb coming up from the top. So what we are doing is we're going to be painting together for these sisters. Their names are Abigail and Victoria. And maybe you have brothers or sisters at home. Do you have brothers or sisters?
I do have, I have 8 brothers and sisters.
8?
Yes.
Well, I have 1, and you know, sometimes with brothers and sisters, sometimes you might...
Want to fight?
Yeah, you might not always get along, but sisterly or brotherly love, sibling love is so special, and it's something that we want to remind Abigail and Victoria of. So we're going to paint a postcard for them today.
Excellent.
Is that cool?
Yes.
Okay, so we are starting with crayons. Now, if you have any other markers or you want to just go for painting, I want you to do this. We are just here to have fun together. So I'm going to use my yellow crayon because my light bulb is yellow, and we're going to draw this together. So what you're going to do is you're going to kind of imagine this oval shape right here. Now, when you look at our light bulbs, can you see how it's oval, but then it kind of gets a little smaller right here? Down at the, I'm going to call it the neck.
What about the base?
The base. Okay, the base or the bottom of our light bulb. So maybe what actually might help me is I'm going to draw a little smiley face. Tell me if you can see that. Is that dark enough?
I can see that, yes.
Okay, so I'm going to draw a smiley face kind of at the bottom. So that's my base. Now I'm going to start on the left side, and I'm going to draw, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 2 lines. So one on the left and one on the right. So you can see it kind of creates this almost rectangle without the top. Now I'm going to draw the curve of my light bulb. So from here, I'm going to draw a curve or a circle type of shape, but it's going to be open. And I'm going to come around and connect it. So do you see how we made that, where it makes this curve and it comes in a little bit more?
Kind of looks like a person's head and neck.
Yeah. Maybe that's why I saw this as a neck of the
Oh, maybe,
the light bulb.
yeah.
So we have that's our light bulb. Now I want to draw I don't know what these are called, the grooves. So if you ever see a light bulb in your house and you take it apart, you'll see that it has these grooves at the bottom.
Threads.
Threads. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So we're going to draw the threads of our light bulb, and I just grabbed a black crayon. Maybe you have a brown one or you want to do a yellow one. I'm just going to draw my threads. To do that, I'm going to draw, let's do 3 more smiley faces. And then I'm going to connect them. But I think when I connect them, maybe you can either draw a straight line, or when I see them, they kind of have these curves on the edge like that. So I'm going to draw curves, kind of like when we've drawn clouds together.
Oh, the little C's.
Yes, little C's at the end, like that.
Nice.
Now, I thought it'd be fun because art is your imagination. So we started with our light bulb, but then if you look at a light bulb, it has these, I don't know what these are called. What are the antenna type of things called?
Elements.
Elements?
I believe so. Let me look it up for you.
Okay. Keen's going to teach us something. While he finds out what the technical name is, that those antenna type things on the inside are, I'm trying to visualize what shape they are, but I thought it'd be fun to kind of make it into a heart. So what you're going to do is we're going to take that from the bottom, and I'm going to draw a heart. So hearts have a curve, and then they come in the center, and then they come up, and then around. So this is for our sisterly love. Now, our light bulbs also emanate, or what's another word? They project light out. So we're going to draw that around our light bulb, and I thought it'd be fun to do it in yellow on our crayons. And so I'm going to draw lines coming out from our light bulb.
It's
like
a
the sun.
filament.
The filament.
Filament, not element. Filament.
Filament. Thank you.
You're
So
welcome.
this is the filament part. We're all learning something new today together. So we are drawing our sun rays or our light rays from our light bulb. Now, I think we're ready to rock and roll with our paint. So what we do here at Let's Make Art is we have a motto together, and I'd like to do that with you. So if you can raise your right hand and repeat after me. I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
I am kind.
And I am creative.
And I am creative.
Let's do this. Boom. So you're being creative with us today. We are also being very kind. We are making this postcard for Victoria and Abigail to cheer them on through their sibling love.
Yes.
Yes. So, okay, let's paint. We have our cup of water. Whenever we paint watercolors, we always like to have a cup of water, our brush, our palette, and our paper towel. Now, the colors that we have, there are 3 different colors. We have a magenta, a yellow, and a blue. Now, here's the thing. You can use any color you want. If you look at this one, can you see how I added some other colors in my light bulb? This one was yellow. So, we're gonna just paint. So I'm gonna dip in my water, I'm gonna hit it off to the side, and I'm gonna go for some yellow and pick it up. So I'm going to paint inside my light bulb, and I'm going to go over my crayon right here. Now, I think I want to add some. I'm going to dip in, get some water. I'm going to see what happens if I add some magenta.
That is pretty.
Cool. So kind of spread out into it. I like that look. I'm going to keep painting. Now, if you can see, we kind of made an orange.
Yeah.
So yellow plus magenta or red equals orange. So that's what we kind of made here. So maybe our light bulb has spots of orange.
Kind of makes me think of a peach.
Yes. Ooh, that sounds really good right now.
Peaches.
I'm gonna add some yellow. So I wanted to make my light bulb be different colors. Here's another cool trick, is if we just use water. So maybe I'll brush off my color, just use water, have it on your brush, and add some water drops. So I'm just letting the water hit the paper. Ooh, Keen's gonna give some good side effects. So can you see it kind of explodes and it makes these really fun blooms that we like to call them. So you can also do it, I kind of want to make, ooh, what happens if I use blue? Maybe I'll use blue right here. So I'm going to do a color explosion. Ready, Keenan?
Yes. That is
Ooh.
amazing.
So, guess what, guys? We made green.
Oh my goodness.
I used blue, but blue plus yellow makes green. So we made green just on our paper. I'm going to kind of leave that. I like that.
I love that. It looks so cool.
Yes. Okay. Now you have the background to paint of your light bulb. So you can do the same thing. What colors would you like? I really like that green. I think I want to make some different shades of green. So as we learned, blue, maybe I'll just do it right here. Blue and yellow make green. Ooh, I like that color. I'm going to leave that there.
Is a good color.
What happens if I add some blue? Maybe we'll make some turquoisey. Ooh, a teal. This is so fun. So you can make any color, and what you're gonna do is you're just gonna paint. So I'm gonna paint on top of my crayon, and I'm gonna paint around it. If you wanna switch colors, maybe I'll add some blue. What happens if I add blue here?
Ooh.
So we're just kind of painting around our light bulb. Now, do you know what do blue and magenta make?
Blue and magenta make purple.
Yes. Let's try that out. So I have blue. I'm going to clean my brush. I'm going to go to magenta and pick that up. And I'm going to just paint on top of my blue. Let's see what happens.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Oh, look at all that color.
That magenta is a pretty color.
Yeah. Oh, as I keep painting. Oh, can you guys see how it changed colors?
Dang.
Because I painted on top of it.
Wow.
Oh, this is so fun. So you're just going to keep painting around my light bulb. Let's blend these colors. Oh, sometimes that might happen where the color kind of explodes. Oh, it looks like
then the light bulb really is sending out light.
Yes. That's so fun. I think I'm going to add some water drops. So I'm going to grab my water. Keenan, side effects. Can we do some sound effects?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Oh, I was early.
Boom! So can you see which it's changing right before our eyes? How cool is that?
It's alive.
It's alive. So that's it.
What?
What? You all just painted that postcard with me and we had so much fun. That was an awesome project. Now, here's the thing. I want you to let it dry and you're going to set it off to the side, and then when it's dry, you're going to put it in your mailbox because it has a postage. Now, this is going to be in the hands of Abigail and Victoria, and they're going to be like, who painted this? How cool is this?
Super cool.
And that is going to spread joy and so much smiles to other people. Now, the reason why we painted the light bulb is that their parent, liked them to remember that they are a light in this world. And I want to tell you that you are also a light in this world. You are a bright light bulb. You're a bright ray of sunshine, and I never want you to forget that. So, this was a fun project. Thank you for painting with us and spreading kindness. Thank you, Keenan, for being here.
Thank you for joining me.
And we will see you next time to paint together. Bye.